wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rear bike baskets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Wald 582 folding collapses flat when not in use, so it can be left out of the way on the rack or removed and tucked away in a closet or under a bed. When opened up, it offers plenty of space for full bags of groceries or hefty loads of gear. It attaches to the sides of the rear rack, however it tends to knock a bike off balance, and it rusts easily if not cared for. At number 9, a versatile and easy-to-use option, the Topeak Trolley Tote features wheels and a telescoping handle for carrying goods when you're on foot, and folds flat for convenient storage between trips. A light or reflector can be added to the back for good visibility. This one measures 13 by 17 by 10 inches when open and is equipped with a quick-release rack attachment, but the plastic can crack with heavy use. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Snoozer Pet Rider Lookout provides a cushy, cozy perch from which man's best friend can observe the passing scenery in comfort. It has a 3-point harness for security and a removable quilted cover that can be tossed in the washer when it gets grubby. This one features a plywood base with a foam overlay and a high-visibility reflective strip. However, it's not ideal for restless or jumpy pets. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rear bike baskets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, for a simple utilitarian carrying solution that holds up well to weather and rugged use, the coated steel mesh Basil Cento fastens tightly to your bicycle's rear rack and offers 10 by 16 by 18 inches of cargo capacity that won't come loose if you hit a few bumps. It comes with a mounting kit and is great for hauling heavier items, but note that you need to use bungee cords to secure the contents. Moving up our list to number 6. For pet owners whose four-legged friends enjoy feeling the wind in their fur, check out the Nantucket Expandable Pet Carrier. Its accordion-style expansion panels stretch out once you reach your destination to give your small companion room to play. It features clip-on and seat post attachments, a removable and washable fleece liner, and a leash clip inside for security. Halfway up our list at number 5, lightweight and collapsible, a pair of Bushwhacker Omaha Panniers mounts on the back of your bicycle with simple hook and bungee attachments. Unfold to load them up with groceries and other goods when running errands or doing your shopping. Each one measures 14 by 9 by 11 inches, and their sturdy canvas holds plenty of cargo. They can be used together or separately. At number 4, made of coated steel, the spacious and sturdy Sunlite top wire is easily secured to your bicycle for hauling generous loads of cargo, and unlike removable options, it won't hurl itself and its contents into the air when the ride gets bumpy. It's reasonably priced and well made and resistant to corrosion. It measures 16 by 13 by 8 inches. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Nantucket Cisco Pannier adds cargo space and charm to your ride with a classic design made with fine craftsmanship. Woven from durable rattan with a rolled rim to prevent unraveling at the top, this model should look even better as time goes by. It holds up to 15 pounds and offers 1,521 inches of carrying capacity, along with an easy attachment with 2 metal hooks. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rear bike baskets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, while it is specifically designed with pooches in mind, the Beach & Dog Co. is attractive and versatile enough to be used as a carrier for all manner of goods. Woven from double-reinforced natural willow, it comes with long cable ties for attaching it to your existing rack. It includes adjustable leashes and a solid wood base. It's got a weight capacity of 25 pounds. And taking the top spot on our list, at 10 by 15 by 5 inches, the Sunlite wire mesh features a low profile that won't push uncomfortably against your posterior along the way, and the tight weave of the lower section prevents small items from slipping through the cracks or getting caught in wheel spokes. This is a heavy-duty construction made of weather and wear-resistant steel. It comes with mounting hardware.
Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rear bike baskets, or simply click beneath this video.